Hey everyone, once again, Jennifer here, back with another video in MPL's Photography Tips and Tricks video series. In this video, we're going to be talking about balance in photographs, and I have 3 tips for you. Tip number 1 for creating balance in your photographs: center the subject in the middle of your frame, just like this. Tip number 2 for creating balance in your photograph is to use symmetry. Reflections in water are an excellent example of this technique. Check it out. Tip number 3 for creating balance in your photographs is to offset your primary subject with a smaller, less important secondary subject. This will help to eliminate awkward, negative, and empty space in your photo and make it more visually appealing. Alright, enough about balance for now. Join me in the next video in which I'll talk about rules of photography.